Friends, we are 1 month from baby being here, so that meant that we obviously had to upgrade to a new mom-dad car. So here we are in our new SUV style vehicle, much bigger than we're used to. But that also means that we had to upgrade to a new SUV camping style tent from Niphean. So we are going to go out to the beach and blow up the Niphean camping tent and see how it works so that we are set to go when we actually want to use it for a fabulous camping tent with our new baby. So we are opening up this beauty. We have all the parts laid out. It should be very simple. So we have her all laid out. And V is now checking to see where we inflate it.
All right, so we have located the air valve port. It's going to be labeled, and if you just look underneath here, it'll be right here. See it?
There's the air valve.
So we're going to go insert this right here, and then twist and lock it in place. It's not coming out. On the manual pump, you also have a guard, so you're going to take that off so you can actually see how much pressure you're pumping into the tent. I'm going to do a time lapse.
Okay, not kidding, it literally took less than 5 minutes to pump it up. So now we're gonna do a little staking and connect it to the car so you can see that awesome feature with the different awnings. Like V has one awning that he's putting out here. And then there's another awning on this side that you attach to the car. So you can actually put down all the seats in the back car and put a sleeping situation here and use this like as an attached bedroom. Super cool. So one of the straps to keep the part that attaches to the car in place goes to the wheel. It's getting really windy out here. Florida afternoon thunderstorms. This is why we've had such a time getting out here to actually make this video, because this keeps happening every day. But we're here now. And the tent is not staked down yet, but it's not blowing away. So that's great. She's sturdy. Yeah, look at this. That sky is not looking great. But at least we're out here with a waterproof tent. Woo! Okay, had to call it. It's just too windy. And we checked the radar and it does not look good. So I don't know when we're gonna get out here to finish this, but I think you saw enough to see that this is a fantastic run, right? It inflated super quickly and it's attached to the car fantastically. Even without being staked down, it was still attached. Yeah, this is life in Florida for you, baby. That's why you need a good tent. So we had to abandon that mission.
Abort the mission.
Abort the mission, unfortunately, because it is now crazy storming outside. But I want to say the tent was super sturdy even when the wind came and hit. It is waterproof, so we would have been fine and dry in the tent. It was just that we were filming on the water and it was too windy. We didn't have time to stake it, but we had started attaching it to the car, the SUV part that attaches, and that was fabulous. Like, that was holding it down. So I would say that, like, given that this was a unexpected test of how the tent works in different weather, it went pretty well. It worked very well. And if we had had it like completely set up by the time the storm hit and it had been staked down, I think we could have chilled in it. 10 out of 10 for the tent. 10 thumbs up, storm thumbs down.